Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I've talked to you guys, but if you follow me on Instagram or you've seen my community tab, then you know I have been sick with the flu and I'm still not fully recovered, but I have been preparing content for you guys. I just wasn't able to get it out as snappy as I wish. So excuse me throughout this video if my voice is annoying. I know it is, but I still had some things I want to say so everything makes sense. So first off, here you can tell by now that the second surprise is us installing flooring in the bedrooms. So I started off here by cleaning the vents in all the rooms, making sure everything was clean. Now you're probably looking around like, whoa, that's not the color you said you were gonna get. So originally the flooring that we were gonna get was the gray flooring to match the kitchen, but instead, to cut costs, we just went with the same flooring that was already in the living room and hallway, and we were able to save about half the amount in materials. And then because there wasn't so much to do, James decided that he would help me do it, to DIY it ourselves like we did in the living room. So just by us doing it ourselves, we were able to cut the cost again by half. So this only cost us a fraction of what it was originally going to cost. So that's why I decided to stick with the same color scheme and just get the flooring out of the way so we can move on to finishing another project in the house. So I hope you guys think it looks beautiful like I do. I'm so happy to see it going down and see the ugly flooring get covered up. It was so much cheaper at the end of the day than getting this resealed. Here's James showing off his Ticonderoga pencil because everyone knows these are the best pencils. So cute, babe. So yeah, it took us about 4 hours in each room, and we pulled off all the molding and stuff. And the flooring that we actually ended up going with is from Home Depot, and it's an Allure Traffic Master grip strip vinyl flooring. So it doesn't need anything underneath, and it all just interlocks together on the little gray strips that you're seeing there. And now if you would like to install this floor yourself as well, it is super easy. It's as easy as sticking it together. It's just that some of the pieces need to be cut here so that it does look staggered. I do recommend this vinyl cutter. It was an additional $50 for this tool, but it made the entire process so much quicker. I would say by 75% faster just by using this vinyl cutter tool. If you guys have further questions, don't hesitate to ask down below. As this isn't a tutorial, I didn't want to explain everything in super detail, but I just wanted to share with you guys exactly what our flooring is. And this is the same flooring that's in the kitchen and in the living room. So I hope you guys stick around and enjoy the video. I'm going to play some music soon just to get it going here. And soon in the future too, I have 2 other projects planned on top of finishing the kitchen. And also I'll just talk about more of caring for this flooring and how it's going. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. And if you do enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So I will see you guys later in the video.
But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. Call me a rover, 'cause I'm a believer of the things we leave. I never hold on, ready for whatever there is left in me. Crash and burn, oh my God, stumble upon what is just my luck, just my luck. 'Cause even if I try to play it cool, I keep on circle back to what I do. I crush a little harder and hide the tools, yeah. We could try to be more than friends. The secret of how it ends. It starts with the figure, keep getting bigger. We watch it go down in flames. Don't wanna know your name. That's how we know it ends. It starts with the figure, keep getting bigger. We watch it go down in flames. Hang on the ropes now, 'cause I wanna feel your body next to me. Get a bit closer, just a bare second till we're falling deep. Crash and burn, oh my God, look on your face, it's just my luck. Move so fast, 'cause even if I try to play it cool, I keep on circle back to what I do. I crush a little harder and hide the
Okay, after doing the first room, we decided that it was going to just be too expensive to redo the molding like I had originally planned to. James ended up finding some vinyl molding that you can glue up. So we went to Menards to take a look and see if they had it. And they did, so we went to pick some up. Now Menards, if you don't have that, it's like we have it here in the Midwest, and it's like a superstore basically. They have everything from like groceries, countertops, flooring, refrigerators, decorations. They have everything in there. So I was just giving you a glance at the flooring section here. And what we ended up going with is this like commercial use wall base. And I know that sounds weird and it might not look exactly perfect, but it was the most easy and the most cost efficient way that we could do this ourselves, to where the room is still like more homey, more complete, and it still has a border. And we had to use this little tool here to apply the glue. And also this glue was not a hassle to use because it does wash away with water. Here, I'll show you right here what this molding is going to look like a little bit. It just has grooves on one side to hold the glue, and then the other side is just smooth. I'm also anticipating that this is going to be really easy to clean, so that's also another bonus. It comes in a huge roll like this, and then you just measure and cut it per your wish. And so I was actually able to get enough of this vinyl pretty much for the entire household for a small price of what it would have costed probably to do like maybe 1 or 2 rooms in the house. I'm not 100% for sure, but it would have costed so much to put in brand new molding in all the rooms, plus where we needed to finish it. So I'm really pleased with how this went about, and it was just so simple. See, look at that, like butter, and it's done. I don't have to worry about any more cracks between the flooring. So at this point I was like, we finished up and we moved everything into this room. And this room here was actually the last room I was able to help with before getting sick. So there won't be any footage of us doing the kids' room because I had to work that day, and James just went ahead and took care of it for me because I was really sick. So then we got this one done. So I can't believe me, the person who can barely measure a stick of gum, was able to put in flooring, vinyl flooring that I had to measure and cut into my house. So after a room 2 of doing this, I really felt like a pro at it, to be honest with you. I feel like only different tools, maybe like industrial sized tools, could have made this any better. I feel like we did a pretty good job putting this down, and I'm surprised that it was easy to do. Once you understand measuring it and laying it down, then it's all fairly easy. You just go ahead and keep clicking it together. On this particular one though, I messed up on the measurement. James was talking crap about me, and then I managed to show him that it was actually correct. So that was a slight win for me that I just had to gloat on. Okay, so that brings us to, here is the before of what our bedroom looked like when the flooring was just really busted and unfinished. Yeah, I don't miss this site at all, and I can't believe the transformation with just, you know, a couple of hours, what we were able to do ourselves, and not only do the work ourselves, but we were able to afford this without having to have a heavy cost. So that's amazing. And then here is the aftermath in the office after James did the girls' bedroom. This had to be dealt with another time because, as I said, I'm battling a cold, really bad cold. So I did manage to start to tackle this. It's just this room still has a little ways to go. So I'll be sharing that video with you guys next. So I hope you stay tuned and make sure your notification bell is turned on. I cannot wait to clean these rooms more and more with being able to clean this floor easily. Also, it's also been a breeze with puppy pad training for our new puppy. Cleaning this is so much more efficient than cleaning the old hardwood floors. So I hope you guys enjoyed this transformation. I know the video didn't go exactly as I planned, or maybe as you have thought, but I wanted to make sure that I shared this experience with you guys because I love you guys, and so I really hope you enjoy it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.